Hello, Rewati. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. I am fine, sir. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So, Rewati, please tell me about yourself.
Myself, Rewati Gopal Shingde. First of all, sir, thank you to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Rewati Gopal Shingde. I am from Udgir. My education qualification is I am just graduated from Shivaji College, Udgir.
Okay.
BSc in the stream of Physics, Maths, and Computer Science.
Okay. So, Rewati, please tell me about what is difference between HTML and HTML5?
Yes, sir. HTML is the markup language with new version. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. HTML does not supports audio, video data in programming language, and HTML5 supports any kind of data.
What is difference between CSS and CSS3?
CSS web browser does not support CSS. Web browser support CSS3. Web. Oh. CSS uses old standard format, old standard color format. CSS3 provides gradients. Gradients. RGBA and others, so on.
What are the basic CSS selector we have?
Basic 4 selectors we have: ID selector, class selector, tag selector, and universal selector.
And what are the CSS selector we have?
What, sir?
What are the CSS selectors we have?
Basic selectors, relational selectors, pseudo selectors.
Okay. Pseudo class and pseudo element, right? So what is pseudo class and what is pseudo element selector?
Pseudo class selects any kind any HTML and pseudo element selects a particular part of HTML element.
Okay, and what is pseudo class?
Pseudo class selects any type of examples are over, focus, active.
So these are the state.
States.
Right. So pseudo class use to define the particular state of the HTML.
Particular states.
What is box sizing?
Box sizing. Box sizing. We use box sizing to calculate height and width of HTML element. There's two values: box sizing, border box, and box sizing, content box.
What is the difference between them?
Box sizing. In box sizing, padding and margin is involved. And content box.
Yes.
Sorry.
What is the difference between inline and block? Hello. Inline
Yes,
and block.
inline and block. Inline element width is inline element always start on the same line. Block element always start on new line. Inline element width is in inline element we cannot give width. We cannot apply width. Block element we can apply width. Inline element width is not equal to its parents, and block element width is always equal to its, and
what is difference between display none and visibility?
Display none property hides HTML element, but it does not occupy their space, and it does not change. It does change the structure of layout, and visibility hidden. It hides its visibility hidden property hides HTML element, but occupy their space, and it does not change structure of layout.
What are the CSS positions we have?
CSS positions. Position relative, position absolute, positions sticky, fixed, and static.
What is position static?
What, sir?
What is position static?
Position static. It is the by default.
What is position sticky?
Sticky. It is a hybrid of position relative and position fixed.
Suppose I have two views. One is parent and one is children, and I want to center the children view horizontally,
yes,
vertically. How
yes,
can we achieve that in CSS?
We give to position relative to parent, and position absolute to child, and child and child and child we give to left 50% and top 50%. Transform translate minus 50%, minus 50%.
Okay. Have you worked on SAS?
Yes, sir.
What is SAS?
SAS.
Do you know SAS?
Yes, sir. I know SAS.
Okay. Then what is SAS? What are the data types we have in JavaScript?
We have two data types in JavaScript: primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data types holds value. Non-primitive data types reference. Primitive data type for there are 5 types: string, boolean, number, undefined, and null.
What is different?
Non-primitive.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please continue.
Yes, sir. And non-primitive data types: object, array, and yes, object, array,
And functions.
and functions.
What is difference between primitive and non-primitive?
Primitive types holds value, and non-primitive type holds reference.
What is hoisting?
Hoisting is the by default behavior of JavaScript, moving all declarations top of the scope, not their value.
What is portion?
Question: conversion of one data type to another data type.
What is callback function?
Callback function, a function which accept another function as a parameter or argument
You sure?
in another. No, sir. Callback function, a function of a function which pass a function which pass parameter or argument in another function.
Okay. What is higher order function?
A function which accept another function or argument.
It's called as higher order function.
Yes, sir.
What is callback hell?
Callback hell. A function invokes functions. A function invokes sir, I prepared, but I don't remember.
What is promise?
Promises is handle asynchronous JavaScript, asynchronous operations.
Okay. And will you please elaborate more?
What, sir?
Yes, that's it. Anything about promise?
Yes, sir.
So how to create a promise?
No, sir. How to create? First, sir, I give new promise. Yes, new promise. new promise is new promise and has two parameters, resolve and reject. Sir, I can't explain. No. Screen share.
Okay. What is promise chaining?
It is a sequence of it is sequence of promises, promise tasks executing one by one.
What is async await?
I think. Wait. Uh, it is used to handle synchronous operations. It also returns promise.
It
Also returns a promise. Return promise.
does promise.
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay. I have passed a statement in chat section. Please copy that in your code editor, and you can share your screen as well.
So double send.
Yes.
Sir, how to copy? Double send.
I'm sending one more time.
Sir, I don't know how to copy.
Go to the chat.
Yes.
And copy.
Yes, sir.
Actually, your screen is not visible.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it is visible now. Yeah, yeah. Copy that statement and yes,
Sir, screen visible.
yes. What will be the output of this statement?
Two, three. 2, 3.
Hmm.
True one.
Sure.
String. It is string.
Please remove that plus and make it double quote after 3. No, no, no.
Yes, sir.
Copy one more time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm passing one more time.
Okay, sir.
3 minus 2 plus. Copy the latest one and paste in.
एक मिनिट से मैं स्क्रीन स्टॉप करूंगी क्या? Yes, sir.
Yes. What will be the output?
Two, three.
Hmm.
Minus true 1.
Are you sure? Console that. Console that in browser. Yes, whatever.
Cursor console.
That is 2 to 1.
Sir, 2 to 1. Sir, string concat होईल ना sir?
Yeah. Please show me your editor.
Editor.
Okay, so 2 and 3 will be get concat and it will be converted into 2, 3. But after that, 23 minus 2, subtraction will happen there. Right?
Sir, I can't understand. Sir, तुम्ही सांगितलं होतं ना सर रिक्वेस्टिंग आल्यानंतर नंतरला कॉन्कॅट होईल म्हणून. Hello, sir.
Okay. I have passed an array in chart section. Please copy that.
Okay, sir. सर इथून डायरेक्ट सर कसं कॉपी करायचं सर?
Sorry.
सर इथून कसं कॉपी करू असं डायरेक्ट?
Go to chart section. Chart section of Zoom.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And we have this array of words, and you have to create a new array from this array. Like I have passed another one. I have passed one more array. Please copy that also. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Rewati, please copy the second array.
So I can't see, sir, chart section, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now pass. One more time.
That is now. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. So you have to create this array by using words array. Okay, comment that 56. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Comment.
Okay, so you have to create a you have to create a new array like that one by using words array.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's okay. Hello, Rewati.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Okay. So Rewati, I have done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye, sir.